everyone, welcome back to Uzalo Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 11th to the 15th of July 2022 on Monday. When Kunze find out that Gabsile's life is in danger, he tried to rescue her, but will he succeed? On Tuesday, Gabsile faces the wrath of a crazy woman. Njinji decides to side with Nomaswazi's idea and let Mamba go. General's presence continued to cause chaos in the Kaba house on Wednesday. Mamba visits Nkunzi after escaping the Magwazes. Madongwe's kids and the general disagree on his involvement with the family. Kmesh wants Gabsile back at work on Thursday. Nomaswazi drops off a nasty parcel for Nkunzi. Madongwe is not happy about what the kids have done, which has affected her relationship status. Hlelo impresses Njeza and Sbu while Nkunzi pressures Gabsile to reconsider her career on Friday. Nomaswazi drops a bombshell on the Magwazes about Mamba's death. Mbatha's new project isn't greatly received, while Gabsile claims back her power and goes back to the mic. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.